Everything's here. Just unboxed everything. So I need this right here that locks it. I think it might be this one. That's what I'm thinking. That goes with that. Alright. So let me do the deadbolt first. This is a new one. I think I might have to go like that. Depends on what kind of door this is. That might work. Alright, so I put the faceplate so that it fits in perfectly. Sometimes the door is a different size, like this one I think it is. Let me try it the other way. You try to put it back in like that. Like this. Let's see if it actually, yeah, the end worked better. So now that's like that. And these two screws go in here. Maybe gonna be the one that sees me. There you go. So I can't, these two screws, can't forget them. And the top one should be done. You could do that for right here, but then I will have to chisel all of this out. We'll see. Maybe I'll do it next time. Same thing for this. And take everything apart. And this has an adjustment too. You can make it longer. I need to figure it out. But I think I might go with the original setting. Just because. So now I need to get these two screws, because I'm gonna screw this. So this part, because this wasn't like this, I have to drill this hole. So now, and make sure this is level. Make sure this is level. Some kind of how. I think I might go off the top. Because it's bigger on the top. We need to do this. I tightened it up too tight. I gotta just move that. But this, I might go along with this so it looks straighter. So I'm gonna just do that right there. And drill a hole right here. To drill a hole right here. Because that compact drill only holds specific bits. I have to use this drill. This is the old one that I bought. It's still kicking. I love it. It works good. Now I need to make sure that I have the right. See, in case you mess up. So this one that I picked out actually matched up really perfect. So now I'm gonna just measure twice, cut once. Right? So I'm gonna do that again. Make sure that it's kind of had to ream it out a little bit when I got it in. It was just perfect. Let's see, it fits in perfect. Make sure that goes in first. The top, then the bottom, and then bam. That's good. That's nice. Once I fix that, I'll put the... There's a handle. So these are the machine screws for the handle. The machine screws for the handle. This is for this.
Can you buy it real quick, buddy?
Yeah. And that's supposed to go in there. And then it's supposed to be the... So it covers up that screw. Straightforward. It's gotta go in just like that. It hugs the screws. So bam. Just like this. So number one. It should be that easy. Go in like that. Now the bottom goes in. Right here, bam, it's right there. And that sucks it all in. Before you try to make this super tight, strip out that screw right here. Make sure this is super tight. So that way it closes the gap. Before you put it on, make sure the space is on the bottom. And there you go. Make sure this is a little bit better. A little bit. Alright. There you have it. Just straighten this up and make sure it goes in right. Just go like that. Just to kind of make sure it's... Where's the knob? The knob. When you put it in, you gotta... Why it was a space. Because this got stuck. So just go like that, and it should fit in flush.